Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. This guide will help you figure out how to assemble the mask. Let's say you bought a Melina mask set from my Etsy store. What does this set include? Mask printed from PLA or UV resin. The mask is already primed and ready for painting. Soft lining made from EVA foam. 2 pairs of straps with buckles and adjusters. Different decorative elements. Depending on the mask, it can be metal or plastic meshes, fabric, or laces. Slice of EVA foam with an adhesive base. Step 1. Paint the mask. Prepare the straps. Take a glue gun. Wear finger protection. Take gel superglue. And pat a pug. Let's go. You have finished painting and are happy with the result. Add 1 or 2 drops of glue. Don't forget to close the glue bottle. Apply some hot glue. Carefully glue the straps. Glue all the other straps in the same way. A mix of these adhesives permanently fixes the straps. Don't be afraid, they won't come off the mask. Step 2. Let glue decor and liner. Do not rush to immediately apply glue around the entire perimeter. First, make a point-by-point attachment and let the glue cool. Slowly apply glue around the perimeter. It's important to take your time with the hot glue and work slowly on small areas. Remember, you can not only get burned but also ruin the mask with hot glue threads. To make wearing the mask more comfortable, use the included lining. Glue it in the same way, slowly, like the decor. When gluing is completed, carefully trim off the excess parts using a knife or scalpel. Be careful, you will still need your fingers in the future. I recommend gluing the lining around the entire perimeter, but you don't have to do this, it's not necessary. When finished with the lining, try on the mask. If you feel discomfort in the nasal septum area, glue a piece of EVA foam with an adhesive base from the kit. Congratulations, the mask is now completely ready. If you have any questions, shoot me DM on my Instagram page. Don't forget to like and subscribe.